Hello, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a ball and box maze, or sometimes called a marble maze. I don't have a lot of box options, so we are going to use this cereal box that I have at my house right now. And to use this, typically since what we're using is a shallow box that has a large bottom, I'm going to start by cutting the face of the cereal box off. So I'm just starting with cutting this off. Parents, this can be a really great job for some of you. You might be needed to help kids who are able to help. It's really great for them if they can help you cut. Great for their fine motor and visual motor skills. All right. Now that I've got this whole front panel off of my box, it looks like this. It came undone, so I'm going to use some tape at the corners to tape those sides back up. And kids, if you can help with pinching and ripping the tape, that can be really great. And parents, help as much as needed. But of course, we love when our young friends can do as much as they can. Always helps it to come out looking really nice. And I love to see the different creative flair that each child or person adds. So I've added the tape to those two ends, and then I need to do the same to the other end. If you want to skip ahead a few seconds, you can. And here's the last one. Whoops, I need a little more there. Secure that part. Okay, now we're on the last corner. Okay, moving along. Now that we've got a shallow box, if you had a bigger box that you just had to cut the sides low, now we have it so that it's, only about 3 inches, no more than that deep, and it's got a big bottom space inside. So I'm going to set my box there for a moment. You can either use paper cut into strips and then tape that inside of the box as loops, or if you have toilet paper tubes, we can cut these, pushing it flat, and then just cutting along. So these can get taped inside. Oh, and you know what? You can have your child decorate these. You guys, you can decorate. You can add any kind of shape or drawing or picture, whatever you would like. I'm putting a green circle on my first one. We'll take that green circle piece right inside. I'm going to turn it this direction. And then kind of pop up the side since I had pinched it flat for while cutting. For this next one, I might draw something different on it, so you can decorate these however you like. Tape or glue them inside of the box. So there is my letter A on this one. We'll tape. Take that one inside of our box. Maybe that one's down further over here. And then the way that you would play, you can add more of these if you want. And then you have options for the small piece. I'm going to use a piece of paper that I've been using for crumpling activities. I'm just going to rip it, maybe into like 2 or 3 pieces, and then crumple that. So I have a small ball. I'm going to roll it, pinch, push, crumple it nice. There we go. Now I can put my ball inside the box, and then I can use my arms to tilt and move the ball to make it go through the different pieces. Ooh. I use my eyes and my hands together. Oh, I got it through A. Can you see? There it goes. Oh, I'm not very good at showing this part. But you can have lots of fun playing with your ball and box maze after you've made it. Enjoy!